So I have downloaded the Audacity from audacityteam.org download. The version is 3.03. The Audacity version එක තමයි පාවිච්චි කරන්න යන්නේ පොතේ ඒක download කරා. So let me install. Installation is very simple. You can just click on the default one without any issue. So I'm just installing Audacity first. Download කරලා පොතේ install කරගෙන යමු. Right? Okay. So now I can see. So this is the setup. So I can say, okay, next. Now I have finished installing. So I'm going to say launch Audacity. Launch කරන්න යන්නේ පුතේ. Right. Okay. So now here is the kind of interface we are getting. Audacity. So this is slightly different from what you have given in your books, because it's actually updated, right? So first of all, there are a few places that we would like to identify what these places are. We මොනවද මේ තියෙන places කියන එක මුලින්ම අඳුරගමු. Now to start with, let me open a file, right? Now for that I will use, first of all, I need some MP3 files. Right? There could be many things. Let me find an MP3 file first. Right. So I have a file. So let me open it just to show you. I will go to File, Open. So we will have it in Downloads. So I will go to Downloads and then I actually open the file. So once I open this audio file, you see something similar to this one, right? And then you can use it as a audio player. Make a පුතේ අපි අර audio player එකක් විදිහට පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. You can just run. So let me share the sounds with you so that you can hear it. Right, let me share my sound. Okay. So now let me play.
Right.
Okay, now you have seen when you play, you can open a file like open කරන්න පුළුවන්, and then we played the audio. Now let me show you like simple working. So we didn't have anything as much as in previous ones. What we do, so we can have menu bar here. So this is the place where I used to open file. You can have export to different audio files. Now this is MP3 file. Let's say I want to convert into WAV or OGG. So these are different extensions. මේවා වෙනස් පුතේ ගොනු වර්ග තියෙන MP3 වල තමයි මේ ෆයිල් එක. මට ඕන we can simply export it to WAV, OGG. So different devices you have different formats, right? Or else I can select. Now, for example, I can select. Let me select. So here is, I have the selection tool, right? And I can select a part of it. So I'm going to select the part, just click and drag. So I have selected this. Now the selection I can export. So I have selected one, right? So export selected audio, right? So let me save it as MP3 again, right? With test when we say one MP3 file, right? And we can change the detail if I want. I'm not going to change anything here. I will just, okay. So now if I close this file, close, I'm not going to save anything. So I can open a new one, open test one. So let me share the full screen, my first screen one. So now you see, this is the video, audio I have downloaded, MP3 format, and this is test one. So when I open it this time, right? So you see that it's a the edited one, right? Meaning only part of it. So audio editing, this is a simplest one you can do. Right, we can stop it here, right? Okay. Now then you can trim, you can remove, right? So you can remove part of the audio if you want, right? Now, for example, here, outside the selection, and then we can remove some of them. Now let me say I'm going to remove some of the audio from here. Sometimes when I edit my audio, sometimes like my kids talk and it disturbs me sometimes, so I can remove. So let me remove this part. So now we don't have. So that part is gone, which means you can just remove, right? Unnecessary video content, sorry, audio content. Right. Now, another one is you select, let's say I need only this part. I can remove everything else. Right. So that means I can click here. So what happened? All the others are removed. Right. So we looked at so that's all we have now. So we can, save it again. Now let me save it in different one. So I will export this one as, let's say, wave, another version. Right. So in the same place, right, with the same name. I have not changed anything at all. Right. Now if I close it, right, so we will remove the files. So if I go back now, if I go to downloads, you will see these are the 3 files that I have. Right. So these are the files. So this is what I have downloaded. Right. And this is the first one. This is the second one. So I can show you if you right click it and properties. Now we know that it's a MP3 file, right? And then the size is about 2.66 megabytes, right? Okay. And the second one, what we did, we have changed some bit, MP3 file, same test one, that about like 768 kilobytes. Maybe if you want to have a part of, your music as a ringtone, right? So you can simply get an, audio file, you can change it. Talata video ki කොටසක් ringtone එකක් විදිහට ගන්න ඕන මේ විදිහට edit කරලා අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right. So this is the other one. අපි අර wave file එක කියලා ගත්තේ. So it's the same. But you see the size of this. It's quite heavy, 7.46 MB. It's a couple of seconds. තප්පර කීපයක් තියෙන්නේ හැබැයි පේනත්කේ size එක. එනම් පුතේ මේ එක එක formats වල අර වගේම වෙනස්කම් තියෙනවා. නමුත් පුතාලගේ මට්ටමට දැනගන්න ඕනේ ඔය ටික විතරයි. So you should know only up to this point. Right. Now, having said that, so the different file formats you can save. I have shown you like simple things. So you can try with different facilities available. Just play around. එකත් එක ටිකක් බලන්න පුතේ අමුතුවෙන් කියලා දෙන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. ඕනනම් වීඩියෝස් බලන්න පුළුවන් පුතාලට හරි දේවල් කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියන එක. Right. එක එක දේවල් මේකේ පුතාලට කරන්න දේවල් තියෙනවා. සමහර දේවල් අතර මම දන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ සංගීතය කරපු අය නම් ගොඩක් ප්‍රයෝජන ගන්න පුළුවන් මේ software එක පාවිච්චි කරලා. ගොඩක් වෙලට මම පොතේ මේක පාවිච්චි කරන සිම්පල් එඩිටිං වලට audio content එක සමහරලාට අපිට change කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒතර audio content එක අරගෙන අපි ඕන තැන් කපලා කොටලා අය පාරක් හරි ගස්ස ගන්න මේක සමහරලාට අපි පාවිච්චි කරනවා. Right. So that's all I have about Audacity software. Audacity ගැන තියෙන පොතේ ඔච්චරයි මට කතා කරන්න. ඕගොල්ලන්ට චුපත බලන්න පුළුවන් මේ පිළිබඳව තව ටිකක් දැනගන්න තියෙනවා නම් අපි ඊළඟට බලමු වීඩියෝ එඩිටිං වල ඒකත් මේකේ දැනට දීලා තියෙන Windows Movie මේක කියන එක. නමුත් මං හිතන්නේ මගේ software කියන මේක නැහැ. right. නමුත් මං ගාව තියෙන්නේ video editor photos මං හිතන්නේ මං ගාව තියෙන්නේ. right, let me check. yes, photos එකේ. in photos I have okay some videos. let me click this is photos. if you have Windows 10 you have this with you. Windows 10 නම් තියෙන පුතේ මේ software එක තියෙන නමක් නැත්නම් මේ වගේ similar software එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ මොන version එක තිබුණත්. so it's very simple. you can click new video and then let me see. okay, new video project. okay, so now the project is empty. it looks like this. let me create the video. I'm going to make it as a test video and I click OK. now the next thing is here you can add the content. අපිට මේකෙදි content add කරන්න පුළුවන්. අපි photos videos එකතු කරන්න පුළුවන්. let me check from the web. right, some animals. right, let me select some of this. right, so this is from the net. so I have about like 20 images now I have inserted. right, so this will take some time. මේක ටිකක් වෙලා යනවා පුතේ අපිට download වෙලා අපිට එන්න. pictures තමයි අපි මෙතනදී ගත්තේ. නමුත් පුතාලට මේක videos උනත් දාන්න පුළුවන්. පුතාල මේකේ දකින්න ඇති මම ගන්නකොට creative commons only කියලා. සාමාන්‍ය අපිට ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එකේ තියෙන ඕනම එකක් ගන්න බෑ. you can't get it whatever you want. right, sometimes සමහර ඒවා අපිට ගන්න බැරි අවස්ථා තියෙනවා. හරි, right, අපිට කොටසක් එවිලා තියෙන සමහර ඒවා ආවේ නැහැ කියව ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. දැන් මට හිතෙන්නේ මට ඕන images ටික ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. now we can select. හරි, you can just drag it. simple drag will work. අපිට ඇදලා දාගන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. so this will be a very simple one. I can see. order is not import. ඔයාලට ඕන දැනක පුතේ දාන්න පුළුවන්. උලට යන්න ඕන නම් ඒ වගේ විහිල්. right, you order this. right, now let's play this. I can play this now. It's like a simple slideshow එකක් විදිහට අපි වීඩියෝ එක ක්‍රියේට් කරලා තියෙනවා. Right. Okay. Now we can go back. We can use some background music. So you can get background music. Let me check what we have. So in this one, you are going to select music. So just look at which one you want to put. I will take these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Tell me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which one you like in the chat box. So that's what I'm going to put it here. Right. Now everyone of you tell me which one I should put. හැමෝම මට කියන්න කෝකද එන්න ඕනි කියලා එකේ ඉඳන් 6 වෙනකම් මම ප්ලේ කරා. එකේ ඉඳන් 6 වෙනකම් පුතාලගේ කැමැත්ත මට chat එකේ දාන්න. So I'm not going to play everything, but quickly I'm going to play a few seconds of each. Now let's see your voting, and I'm going to select, okay, we have 3, 6, arcade party means 4, again 3, again 1, again 3. I think majority goes for 3. So I will select 3 then. So I'm going to select the third one. and then I'm going to synchronize this, which will arrange the video. Okay, now things are, now let's run again. Okay, great. I think, yeah, we all together made this video. So the third one we have selected because that was the majority. Right. So we can put up, text if you want. You can have motions. Um, that the title card means you can have a title, right? So, uh, for example, you can decide what you want to put it here, right? So you can add the title card, and then you can work on the duration, right? And then you can type text. So for example, this is the title card. So maybe we can put some text and we can decide which layout. අපිට කොයි layout එකද කියලා ගන්න පුළුවන් අපි title card එකේ ඉන්නේ, right? The background we need to select, right? We have to find out some color for this. Let me put this color, and then maybe a text, and we have to put the text, and also like which font or animated text style. So let's put this as okay, our video, because everyone is going to involve this one. So I'm going to say here, okay, so this is our video. Right, okay. So now we have this. So let me, it was here. Let me put it to the front, right? Okay. Now let's see how this will work. So now we start with some typing. So that's fine. So let me put some text. So I'm going to give you each of you the chance in according to the order you are in. So Achira is the first one, then Amasha, Binu, Janani, Netmin, Niluminda, and then we have Pramudi. Each of you should, send me something to type in these pictures, starting from 1. So this is for Achira, this is for Amasha, and this is for Binu, and we have Janani, Netmin, right, okay, Niluminda, Pramudi. A few more to go. Okay, that means we get go for 2 rounds, right? So let's first finish the first round. So everyone just type something. So that I'm going to put it as a text in each of these files, right? පුතාලා මට text එවන්න ඕනේ. ඒවත් ටික මම දානවා. මම අර මුලින් කිව්වාගේ අචිරගෙන් පටන් ගමු. අචිර, අමාෂා, right? Third picture, this is for Binu. Achira, Amasha, we have Binu, we have Janani, right? And then we have Netmin. The order has changed. How come? Then we have Niluminda and Pramudi, right? You can type anything you want. So I'm waiting for your inputs. පුතාල මොන හරි වෙනකම් මම දැන් බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා. Shall we start? ඔව් පුතේ. Or worst case, I can type your name. මම කිව්වේ පුතේ මේ images වලට දාන්න text එකක් මොනවා හරි දෙයක් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ නමක් වුණත් කමක් නෑ. type කරලා එවන්න කියලා කිව්වේ. පුතාලා එවනදී මම මේකේ type කරනවා කියලා කිව්වේ. අපි right, Janani said beautiful. Okay, Janani 1 2 3 4. So I'm going to say 1 2 3 4. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to add that text. Janani, can you tell me the style you want? We have simple, loud, joy, classic, adventure, quiet, boom, cinema, bold, fresh. Which one you want? Janani, can you tell me like, right, she selected holiday. Okay, fine, good. So what you want to type here is beautiful. So let me, okay, we have pen left. Okay, so we have pen left. Okay, done. Now we'll start from the beginning. So here's the video so far. So now it's actually more live. So you see the rest of the images are very dull, isn't it? Maybe we can remove those, right? And we can left with your selection. So shall we do like that? Right now, what we have is after this. Okay, this is the last one. Let's remove these parts. So I actually selected everything. I'm going to delete, remove. Right? I hope it will adjust. So the background music, if I double check, okay, it's the third one. So I can say, okay, synchronize video. Now let's see how it works. So let me, okay. So that's really nice. So now I think we'll put another card at the end. Maybe I will add a title card. Maybe this time I will put at the end. Right. So the text that I'm going to put, I'll put everyone's name. I don't know whether I can type it. So, right, credits. So this credit goes to Akira. And Pramodi. can put a date also, like this is August 2021. So we'll use some simple text, right? And maybe, yes, in the same. But it's your video, right? I don't have. Right. So I made this. So let's see how it will work now. Let me run. We'll start from the beginning. So here is your video. Okay, wow. So we have done a great job. Right. I don't know whether we need to change anything. So let's see. Okay, 3D effects are there. I don't know what those are. Okay. So there are a lot of things that we can put. We'll put that one and we'll finish the video. Right. We'll start with Achira. So you have to select some 3D effect. I don't know what might happen, but I think some 3D effects will come. Shall we try that one? Okay, so Achira, can you select the 3D effects? So there are a lot of effects here. I don't really know like what happens, but we can randomly select. The waterfall is there, and what is there? Globe will be there. Raining will be there. Let me, okay. So Janani is colored lights. So let me, where was it? Color lights. Oh, okay, this one. So I can go back. Right, Janani means the fourth one. Okay, so we'll put colored lights. Okay, Janani selected color lights. Let me as color lights. Okay, right, done. So let me run and see. Nice. Can we increase the time? How can we change the time? Right, now Amasha said autumn leaves. So Amasha is the second one. Right, the defects. The autumn leaves. See how this will work from the beginning. I have no clue right now. It's like a flash. I think this, only 20 seconds. Like maybe I can change the background music. Right? See what has. Okay, so it's actually ready. Okay, no. It has reduced the time. We select the third one. Is 20 seconds. It's 20 seconds anyway. I think we can't change. Right now I have only two sessions. And let me put 5 seconds each. I don't know whether this will work. Let me 5. Yes, it will work, it seems. Okay, maybe like 3 seconds. Sorry, not title card. Sorry, I made a mistake. The duration, let me say 3 seconds. I can select all. Maybe I can select everything, right? And maybe select the duration, 5. Okay, 5 each. And then I can, change. Okay. Yeah, we can go to the front. Now we can delete. The only problem is the sound. Now we don't have the sound. That's the problem. I don't know whether we could repeat it. Let me see. Right now, let's see the background music. Okay. Right now, that's all we have. Let me change it. We prefer third one, right? Then we'll finish, right? That's enough. Right, net min. So which one? Okay, so this one, you have flying bats, is it? Yeah. Okay, where's flying bats? I didn't see it. Oh, yes, yes, yes. So you have matching one. So hopefully. Hopefully last time. Okay, guys. So let's finish the video. We have to export the video. Right. So let me finish video. Okay, high, medium. Maybe I will put high quality. Okay, yes. So let's put export. Let me put in the desktop. It's a test video. So I'm going to export it. So this will take some time. Make put export win. Yeah, finally kita pasi balo and after that I will email this, right? So you have a copy of your video. Okay. Let me kiwa yagi video ka tina pen and tino kila.